Well, it's looking more and more likely a lot of us will have a white Christmas across the area. Not a lot of snow in many areas, but will impact travel, especially as we head toward tomorrow. I'm talking about the impacts of this incoming system. Now, if you're traveling around today, even into this evening hours, in many places all the way through tonight, shouldn't have many problems. A little bit of snow will come into the western mountains late tonight, but the main impacts will hold off till Saturday. That'll be the big travel problems if you have to get anywhere. Coming into the northern parts of the area during the morning hours. Now, many areas south of the Owl Creek Range, especially places like Riverton, Lander, over toward Casper. Much of Saturday looks like it'll be a dry day too. Most of the snow coming in there as we head toward sunset, which is very early this time of year, about 4 or 5 o'clock. And the maximum impacts, again, northwest to southeast, mainly a morning event across the west, afternoon across northern Wyoming, then more of an evening, nighttime event across central and southern Wyoming. Will be a little bit of snow lingering into Sunday as well, but that'll be mainly just light leftover snow showers. A little bit of wind with this across the favored areas with that north flow coming in. Buffalo, maybe gusts to 40, 50 miles per hour. Maybe not as much snow in this area, but it will be blowing and drifting around. Same for the northern Bighorn Basin, Lovell down toward Graybull, down toward Moreland, gusts to 30, 40 miles per hour. Not much an issue across western Wyoming, just gusts to 10 or 20. That's basically any day of the week around here during the winter. Maybe 29 around Riverton. This will be up toward our weather office. Maybe not quite as windy in town though. And now as far as the snow we're going to get, still some uncertainty here. I'll show you some probabilistic stuff to start out with. This is a percent chance of seeing 1 inch of snow, what I consider a white Christmas. Most places east of the divide, at least a 1 in 2 chance. Basically, Riverton, Lander, over toward Casper, Thermopolis, Cody, very good chance of seeing at least 1 inch of snow, so it will be a white Christmas here. That tapers off as you head further to the north and east here because those north winds downslope off the Bighorn Range here. About a 60% chance around the Buffalo area. Anywhere from about 60 to 70 across Sweetwater County. Western valleys, I'd say about a 2 in 3 chance here. The mountains just about guaranteed to see another inch of snow. Now we bumped this up to 6 inches of snow, a good storm. Chances drop off quite a bit. Now the best chance of seeing that, northerly flow areas, again, Thermopolis, south side of Riverton, down toward Lander, about a 1 in 4 chance there. Casper especially, about a 1 in 3 chance, especially those of you live on the other side of Wyoming Boulevard going up toward Casper Mountain, better upslope in that area. Most other areas not seeing much of a chance, 1 in 10 at most. Many areas, a 0% chance of that. Now, a range of possibilities for the snow. Low end amounts, expect at least this much, at least a couple inches across much of central Wyoming, maybe just a coating across the northern Bighorn Basin, maybe just a coating here across Sweetwater County, and at least I'd say 1 inch or 2 across the western valleys. Now, likely maximum amount, the system slows down, gets a little stronger, maybe some banding sets up that we can't pinpoint right now. Maybe up to 8 inches around Casper, 7 inches around Walton, anywhere across this area probably sees the most impact, 6 to 8 inches, including Thermopolis, Lander, Riverton, a little bit less as you head up toward DuBois though. Maybe 5 anywhere from Batiste down up toward Cody. Lesser amounts as you get further to the north and west of that downsloping flow. 3 to 5 around Johnson County, anywhere from about 3 to 5 across Sweetwater County, 1 to 3 across the western valleys. And higher elevations could pick up locally up to a foot if things set up right. Now the most likely scenario we expect out of this now, this is probably subject to change. You saw the big ranges here. So the most likely scenario, at least at this point, highest amounts Lander over toward Jeffrey City, Casper, Riverton, anywhere from about 3 to 6 inches. Higher amounts as you head toward the Wind River Range upsloping against Lander, as well as here around the Casper area. 2 to 3 around Thermopolis, maybe 1 to 3 around Cody less as you head toward the north and east there. 1 to 3 across Johnson County, but there will be some strong winds here, so maybe some impacts here. Anywhere from about 1 to 3 across Sweetwater County, 1 to 3 across the western valleys, and a Cody to 1 or 2 inches across the Green River Basin, including Big Piney as well as Pinedale. Here's our resources. You want weather, just go to our webpage, weather.gov/RAW. Road conditions, again, don't call us for road conditions, get it right from the source right here. On the web, go to wyoroad.info. You want to call them on the phone if you're in state, 511, out of state, 188 Wyo Road. Now, if you want to take a look at those webcams, look at the road conditions for yourself. We have stuff all over Wyoming, not just in western and central Wyoming. Go to our website, click on the local programs tab, then go down to webcams. Be safe, everybody, and happy holidays.